Adarsh Vidyalaya Maths online class. Today we are going to discuss first chapter relation function exercise 1.4. Already we completed first sum the last class. Now we discuss second sum. Second one, let f such that a to b be a function defined by f of x equal to x by 2 minus 1, where a is equal to 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. And b is equal to 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9. Represent by first option set of ordered pairs, second one a table form, third one a arrow diagram, fourth one a graph. Here what is given? F such that a to be a function. That function defined by f of x equal to x by 2 minus 1. Here a is the set of 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. That is domain. Next b is equal to the set of 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9. That is codomain value. Using these two value and apply this function, we find the set of ordered pairs, and after that you draw a table form and arrow diagram and a graph. So first one given f such that a to b, and define the function f of x equal to x by 2 minus 1. Here domain a is equal to 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. That is x value. Here b is equal to set of 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9. This one we take x value. X is equal to 2. Apply this function. So f of x, this x place 2. So f of 2 is equal to 2 by 2 minus 1. So 2 cancel. So answer 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Next apply 4. X equal to 4. Apply here. F of 4 is equal to 4 by 2 minus 1. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. So 2 minus 1 equal to 2 minus 1 1. Next apply 6. X equal to 6. That is f of 6 is equal to 6 by 2 minus 1. So 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. Is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Next one apply 10. X equal to 10. So f of 10 is equal to 10 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 2 is 2. 5 2s are 10. So 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Next one at last 12. X equal to 12. So apply f of 12 is equal to 12 by 2. 1 2 is 2. 6 2s are 12. Minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 1. Answer 5. So we apply x equal to 2. We get the answer 0. X equal to 2. Answer 1. X equal to 6. Answer 2. X equal to 10. Answer 4. X equal to 12. Answer 5. These elements are belongs to B or not, check it. 0, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. So all the f of x answers are belongs to codomain. So next we have to find set of ordered pairs. Set of ordered pair means x value and the f of x value. So what is that? 2, 0, 4, 1, 6, 2, 10, 4, 12, 5. So that is first option. Set of ordered pairs. F is equal to 2, 0, 4, 1, 6, 2, 12, 10, 4, 12, 5. Is it clear? Set of ordered pairs. That is first exercise you discuss. Next one table form. Table form means x value and f of x value. So already we see that x value is the domain value. So 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. What are the answer? That is f of x answer. So see that here this one x answer. 2, here 0. X answer first right and f of x second one. X equal to 2, f of x equal to 0. And x apply 4, f of x answer 1. And x equal to 6, f of x equal to 2. X equal to 10, f of x 4. And x equal to 12, f of x 5. Is it clear? Set of ordered pair means you write in the order, that is points. These points converted into table form, x and f of x. Third one, arrow diagram. First you write domain. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. And the codomain 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9. Here what are the ordered pairs? 2 to 0. So put the arrow mark. And 4 to 1. 6 to 2. 10 to 4. 12 to 5. Here there is no elements in 9. So you leave it. So write as it is. What are the elements are? Image in B, that one only put in arrow mark. So 2, 0, 4, 1, 6, 2, 10, 4, 12, 5. So this one no image. So write as it is. But all the elements in domain want to write it. Next one, graphical method. So graph x values you write in x axis, f of x values write in y axis. 2 units or 1 unit, that is your best. So now we take 2 units. X equal to here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and y also we consider 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Mark the points. First one 2, 0. So here 2, 0. Second one 4, 1. 4. Here 1. Here 4, 1. Third one 6, 2. 6, 2. Next one 10, 4. Okay, 10, 10, 4. 10, 4. Next 12, 5. So here 12, 5 in between 4 and 6. So here 12, 5. So what are the ordered pairs? You mark in the graph. So this is a very important question. So first one. Here set of ordered pairs and table and arrow diagram and graph. The same things, the same ordered pairs we write in that format of table form and arrow diagram and graph. Next third sum. Represents the function f is equal to set of 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4 through first option an arrow diagram, second and a table form, third one a graph. In the second sum we discussed A and B given, function also given. We have to find set of ordered pairs using this, draw an arrow diagram and table form and graph. But this third question already given ordered pairs. Using this you have to draw an arrow diagram and table form and graph. Is it clear? So given f is equal to set of 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4. Here what is the domain? The first one is the domain. So what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the domain value. And the codomain is the second. What are the images? That is range. So what is the range? 2, here also 2, 2, 3, 4. So the same things. Here domain, codomain 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. But these three same numbers. So you write only one time. So range B is equal to 2, 3, 4. First one an arrow diagram. Write that domain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And codomain 2, 3, 4. So that is a range. See that order pairs. One image is 2. So 1, 2, 2 also 2. So 1 image also 2, 2 image also 2, 3 image 2. Next 4 image 3, 5, 4. So that is it. You may mark in arrow. So that is a arrow diagram. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4. That is ordered pairs. Using this ordered pairs, draw an arrow diagram. Second option, a table form. Here x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F of x is 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. The order pair 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4. So write a tabular form. Next one, graph. X axis we consider the unit is 1, 2, 3 like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And y axis also we consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because here one unit only given. So we consider 1 unit. So mark the points 1, 2. 1, 2. Next one 2, 2. 2, 2. Third one 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. Next one 4 comma 3. 4 comma 3. Next one 5 comma 4. 5 comma 4. So that is the graph. You mention the x-axis and the y-axis and mark the order class. Is it clear? Next one, fourth. Show that the function f such that n to n defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 1 is 1 to 1 but not onto. So here what is the function? F of x equal to 2x minus 1. The function is f such that n to n. N is natural numbers. N is natural numbers. Starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. is going on. N for natural numbers. So given f such that n to n, the function f is equal to 2x minus 1. So natural number starts from 1 now. So we take x equal to 1. The function f of x equal to 2x minus 1. X place we substitute 1. F of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 minus 1 is equal to 2 ones are 2 minus 1, 1. Next apply 2. So f of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 minus 1. Is equal to 2 to the 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. Next x is equal to 3. So f of 3 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 3s are 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So it's going on. 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's all the natural numbers. So here f such that n to 1. So we consider domain and codomain. So we consider A is the domain, B is the codomain, and A also natural number. So f such that n to n. Here domain also natural number, codomain also natural number. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. is going on. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is going on. Here 1 we consider what is the image? 1. Next 2 means answer 3. 3 answer 5. So it's going on. Here f such that n to n. That is natural number to natural number. So check it. Here any element. We take any element. We get the image. So is the 1 to 1 or not? Yes, it is 1 to 1. So distinct element of A have distinct image in B. Therefore it is 1 to 1. That is the definition of 1 to 1. Next on to. Here in codomain all elements have pre-image. All elements have pre-image. That is the onto definitions. See that every element in the codomain B has a pre-image in the domain A. See that here all elements have pre-image? No. So here 2 has no pre-image, 4 has no pre-image. So it is not a onto. So in this function it is not a onto. Next one we check it is a into or not. What is the definition of into? There exists at least one element in B has no pre-image in A. Yes, here 2 has no pre-image, 4 also has no pre-image. So at least one element, that is into function. Therefore here it is into function. What we want to show that here it is 1 to 1 but not onto. Yes, it is satisfy 1 to 1 but not onto. But satisfies into. Therefore this function f is 1 to 1 and into function but not onto function. Is it clear? You draw this type of one diagram, you easily understand. 1 to 1. Here we take only 3 number elements. That's why you map in 3. 4 we take definitely 1 elements. We get it. 4, 5 apply means we get any one answer. 6 also we get any answer. That's why distinct element of A have distinct image in B. Is it clear? So this one is 1 to 1 and into function. Next we see fifth question. Fifth question. Show that the function f such that n to n defined by f of m is equal to m square plus m plus 3 is 1 to 1 function. Here f such that n to n and the function given, we want to show that it is a one-to-one function. So given f such that n to n, f of m is equal to m square plus m plus 3. Fourth one we discussed, the function is one-to-one but not onto. Here we want to show that only one-to-one function or not. We want to check it. So first we take, here n means, already we discussed n is equal to natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. So n for natural numbers. Here domain also natural numbers, codomain also natural numbers. So domain and the codomain. So that is A, F such that n to n. So that is A also natural number, A codomain also n, and B. A is the domain natural numbers, B codomain also natural number. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Codomain, that is B is n, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Is it clear? Here this A, so domain, B codomain, A also natural numbers, B also natural numbers. How we apply? Here instead of x, what is given? M. So f of m is equal to m square plus m plus 3. So we take m equal to 1. Apply this m place, f of 1 is equal to 1 square plus 1 plus 3. What square answer? 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 4, 5. So 1 apply, what we get? 5. Next we apply 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 square. Here 2 square plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 2 square answer 4. 2 plus 3, 5. 4 plus 5, 9. Next we apply m equal to 3. F of 3 is equal to 3 square plus 3 plus 3. 3 square answer 9 plus 3 plus 3, 6. 9 plus 6, 15. Next apply 4. So f of 4 is equal to 4 square plus 4 plus 3. 4 square answer 16 plus 4 plus 3, 7. So what is the answer? 16 plus 7, 23. So we take 1, the answer is 5, 2, 9, 3, 15, 4, 23. So we take remaining number also, it's going on. So natural numbers m equal to 4, m equal to 5, it's going on. So see that here 1 apply means, what is the image? 5. 2, 9. So it's going 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is like this. So 2 answer 9. Suppose m equal to 3, that is 15. Here 15, etc. etc. 15, 3 answer 15. 4, 23. So etc. 23 to 23. So 4 answer 23. So you rough diagram you draw means easily understand. So here in domain all the elements have image. So it is one to one. So that is therefore f is one to one function. Since what is the reason? Different element in the domain n. Different element in the domain n. There are different images in the codomain n. So there are different element in the codomain also. Is it clear? So we put etc. So the 1, 2, 3, 4 there are different element in domain have the different images in codomain also. So that is a one-to-one definition. Here one-to-one definition satisfied. So this function f is one-to-one function. Is it clear? Sixth one. Let A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to n. N for natural numbers. Let f such that A to B be defined by f of x equal to x cubed. Then first one find the range of f. Second one identify the type of function. Here what is given? A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to n. That is natural number. Start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Going on. And function f such that a to b. That defined function is f of x equal to x cube. We have to find range. So the range of f is equal to, we apply x equal to 1. First 1 domain value we take 1, 2, 3, 4. That answer belongs to this natural number or not. So x is equal to 1. So f of 1 is equal to, here apply 1 cube. 1 cube answer 1. Next we take x equal to 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 cube. 2 cube answer 2 multiplied by 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Next x is equal to 3. F of 3 is equal to, here apply 3 cube. 3 cube answer 3 multiplied by 3 times. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Next apply x equal to 4. F of 4 is equal to 4 cube. X cube, x plus 4, 4 cube. 4 1 to multiply by 3 times. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 64. That's all. Here a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 only. So we take 1, 2, 3, 4. So this answer only range. So x answer 1 means f of x answer 1. X equal to 2, f of x 8. X equal to 3, f of x 27. X equal to 4, f of x 64. Therefore, the range of f is equal to 1, 8, 27, 64. That is the answer. So here marking A is 1, 2, 3, 4. B is natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So write this. So 1 image is 1. So 1, 2, 8, 2, 8, 3, 27, 4, 64. So that is A, this one B. B is equal to natural numbers. So natural numbers means start from 1 to all the numbers. Here 1 to 1, 2 to 8, 3 to 27, 4 to 64. These are the range. Second, we identify the type of function. In domain, all elements have unique image in B. That is the definition of 1 to 1. So is a 1 to 1 or not? Yes, it is a 1 to 1 function. And on to here in codomain, all the elements having pre-image. That is a onto function. Is it satisfied? No, this is not a onto function. So next check it. Into function, at least one element in codomain have no pre-image in domain A. Yes, here 2 and 3, the remaining in between elements are have no pre-image. So it is into function. Therefore it is 1 to 1 and into function. Therefore f is an 1 to 1 and into function. Since what is the reason? Different element in the domain A, there are different images in the codomain B. Therefore it is 1 to 1 function. Another one, if there exists at least one element in B has no pre-images in A. Yes, here 2 and 3, these are the remaining, these elements have no pre-images, no pre-image in A. Example, 2 has no pre-image in A. Here 2 has no pre-image and 3 also. Therefore it is into function. Here what type of function? F is an 1 to 1 and into function. The range is f is equal to 1, 2, 8, 27 and 64. Type of function is f is an 1 to 1 and into function. Is it clear? Thank you students.